Hey friends, it's Sonia Miller from Junk Monkey Paint Company, and it is time to fling some paint. I'm having a morning paint session here in my studio today, and today I'm going to paint this block of wood. So what's really cool about our paint is not only do you have to just use it for furniture, but you can create some beautiful art to match your furniture. So in this case, this is a new piece of pine wood that I just got at my local hardware store. I like to create signs, and I keep the little end remnants to be able to paint on and create some beautiful looks. So in this case right now, I've laid down some black velvet and kind of mapped out where I want to put my vase and my shabby flowers. And now I'm using our Junk Monkey Chalky Style paint. So our Chalky Style paint is acrylic base, which makes it great for artists like me and you, whether it's furniture, whether it's decor or art, whatever you want to do. I paint canvas, and in this case, like I say, I also paint wood. The colors I'm using right here now are Bahama Jade. I've also got Berry Dance, which I love that color, that fuchsia color. Then we've got some Lucky Clover for the petals, the leaves rather, and then we also have some blue for the background. So I'm just putting it all around, doing it shabby style. The cool thing about our paint is it dries a flat matte, which really adds to give it that time-worn look. And I don't know about you, but that's what I love to be able to create, shabby, time-worn looks. And of course, you guys know you can change the consistency of our paint. It's made for artists, so you can add some water and really thin it out if you need to do some like splashes and things like that, or keep it at the consistency that it is to be able to grab your palette knife and create such beautiful works of art. And guess what? I can paint a piece of furniture to match as well, and I've got a beautiful set.